What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk EDC gear here. And today, that's right, we are doing a giveaway video. Would you believe that the channel has 20,000 subscribers? I was really blown away, really impressed by that, and really super grateful to all of you guys for really watching all the content, all the different videos. I don't really want to go too much into detail, but this past Friday, I was told at work I have 2 weeks for separation, aka I'm being let go from my employer or the company I work at on my 9 to 5, because basically they have been shipping a lot of business overseas to other countries where it's a lot cheaper to do labor and stuff like that, and they're also investing heavily on AI. So that translates into my work position poof disappearing out of thin air like that, just because the company decided to save some dollars. I was really trying not to put too much thought into it over the weekend. It was Father's Day, by the way. If you're a father watching this video, happy Father's Day to you. I really hope you had a great time. I personally tried my best to have the best time possible, not thinking about what was going on with my employer. Obviously, as a father, as a man, it is very concerning when you have your main source of income kind of, up in the air like that. So I made a dedicated video about what happened. If you want to check that out, I'll have it linked down below if you want to learn more. But over the weekend as well, guys, the channel hit 20,000 subscribers, and this is big news. This is exciting news, right? 20,000 subscribers. That's a lot of people. If you really think of a big event, right, or something like that, stadium, right? 20,000 people is a lot of people, and I'm really grateful when you guys, for each and every single one of you, for supporting what I do here, watching the videos, commenting, liking, sharing, right? That is all really appreciated. If you're a regular one and you're always commenting on the videos, you know I got mad love and appreciation for each and every single one of you. It really means a lot to me, and I wouldn't really be doing this if it wasn't for your support. Needless to say, I'm in somewhat of a crossroads right now. I'm really considering over the next 2 weeks whether I'm going to be doing content full time. I might go ahead and give that a try, see if it works out. I'm really concerned perhaps if it may not cover or all the bills, but who knows? Maybe there's a growth spur and we keep growing here as a channel with all you guys' love and support. And maybe I can do this full time. Otherwise, I do have, kind of been applying a few different places and whatnot, trying to, find the next opportunity, make sure I can supplement, missing the income I already had from my 9 to 5. But I do want to give back to the community, give back to each and every single one of you. I know the channel, we've been at this since the beginning of 2023. That's when this channel was born in January, and I haven't really done many giveaways at the channel up until now. I feel like I have a healthy stream of different knives where I can possibly do a monthly giveaway. That is my goal. I'm really going to aim for trying to do a monthly giveaway here if I can, starting with June. June is the month, and this is the first giveaway. We just hit 20K subscribers, so it's a perfect time. I had even announced the giveaway already via the channel post or channel community tab. So a lot of you guys have entered already. I'll have all that linked down below so you guys can see the rules and how to enter in order to be able to be drafted for the contest or the giveaway in this case. But yes, I'm going to be giving away 3 different knives on June 30th. The first one here is the CJRB Lyrid, and I did an unboxing on this one, the channel overview, raw first impressions, not that long ago. You have a sweet combination here, crossbar lock from CJRB, AR-RPM 9 steel, stone wash finish, sheep's foot blade with the green G10, proud liners. Overall, I mean, pretty solid budget offering here from CJRB, and you guys seem to be a huge fan of it here from what I've gathered in the comment section so far. Very fidgety, right? Really good and comfortable for everyday use. This is going to be the knife that any subscriber can enter for, and this is going to be open to everybody. Obviously, no purchase necessary for this one here. It's going to be given to one random subscriber who leaves a comment on that one community post. Again, I'll have it all linked down below so you guys can see the entry post along with all the rules and what you need to do in order to enter, right, and be considered, right, for winning this guy as a prize. You will leave a comment on that community post and that will enter you to win this guy as long as you are a channel subscriber. So that's a again, option open to everybody, right? The Artisan cutlery, this particular one is the Revel. This is a Ray Laconical design, rocking AR-RPM 9 steel, FRN scales on this one, and reversible deep pocket carry clip. It is a plunge lock, button lock with an opening hole here, and the recipe is really nice. This is a, there's a premium version to this knife if you want to pick the more expensive premium counterpart. But this affordable one right here, this affordable version, right, really good price, right, for the value that you get. And I did an unboxing on this one. You all seem to really like it as well. So this one will be given out to over on Patreon, right? All my Patreon supporters who are in the $1 tier or higher, not the free tier, but at least the $1 tier. If you're supporting me over on Patreon, right, I want to give back to you, right? It's that simple. I can't say thank you enough, right? If you've been supporting me for, the channel during the month of June, right? I absolutely want to, make sure that I can give something back. And I might, again, part of this monthly giveaway, I want to make sure that we have something special for my Patreon supporters over there. So if you're a Patreon supporter on a paid tier, at least $1 or more, you will automatically be entered to win this guy on June 30th, the Artisan Cutlery Revel. And last but not least, we got the CJRB Sasaya. And this one is CJRB's Chilean cutter, which is, again, a blade geometry with some really interesting history behind it. This one was also a very cool upload in the channel, and you all seem to really like it as well. It is a plunge lock, button lock. Love the leaf shape. Plenty of handle here for days. Very capable knife, to say the least. Stone washed. AR RPM 9 steel with a deep pocket carry clip, also reversible. I mean, needless to say, CJRB and Artisan Cutlery, they absolutely know how to make really great budget EDC knives. There's zero doubt about it. Right, so I mean, you got knives like the CJRB Pyrite, the Echo, right, and they're coming out with some bangers here recently. The Lyrid, right, the Sasaya, and so many more. This particular one is going to be given away to YouTube channel members. Again, I'm really grateful for those of you who are taking your support a step higher, right? You're supporting the channel as a member with a monthly membership. And again, it doesn't have to be a high tier membership. It could be the lowest tier membership. As long as you're a channel member here on YouTube, right, it means that you are supporting the channel, right, a step further, which I really appreciate and I'm so grateful for. So I want to give back to channel members as well. If you're a YouTube channel member here, you are automatically entered to win the CJRB Sasaya. Again, the draft for all of these will be on June 30th. So you'll automatically be entered and drawn for the CJRB Sasaya if you are a YouTube channel member. And someone may say, oh, you put them behind a paywall, and that's not what I want to do here. I want to be very upfront and transparent, right? That is why I have the one knife that is good for everybody, right? And anybody that's a subscriber can qualify to enter for the Lyrid, right? If you support the channel, watch the content, right? Just leave a comment on the community post, right? All the instructions are on the description and pin comments on how to enter for that, and there's no purchase necessary. Now, obviously, for the folks that go above and beyond to support me, I want to give back to them too, so that's why I have the other two knives, right? The Artisan Cutlery for my Patreon page supporters and the Sasaya for my YouTube channel members. So I hope that's okay. I hope that that's not an issue with anybody or rubs anybody the wrong way. I mean, it is free stuff that I'm giving out to the people that support me, so that shouldn't be an issue in any way, shape, or form. I hope everything goes well this month, because I do plan on hopefully being able to do this on a monthly basis. Now that the channel is growing, now that I'm getting more gear in to review, to check out, make videos on, and share with you guys, and you guys are showing me support as well. So it's only fair for me to give back in some way, shape, or form. And all of these knives are in the $30 to $40 to $50, $60 range or what have you. So with a $1 support or subscription over on Patreon or here on as a YouTube member, right, you are getting the possibility of winning perhaps, $40 to $50 to $60 worth of a price. So I think that's a good value exchange. And to be honest, I'm going to let you guys in a little secret right here. I don't really have a lot of Patreon supporters or a lot of channel members. So chances are pretty high for anybody that wants to become a channel member or Patreon supporter to obviously become one and get a chance to win one of these prizes. So just putting that out there, right? Again, if not this month, next month, right? We're going to keep going forward with the monthly giveaways as long as we possibly can. I'm really fired up and excited for that. I kind of postponed it for way too long. We're now 20,000 subscribers strong. And, it's the time. The time is now. Again, guys, thank you all so very much for all that you do. It really means the world to me. And my dream has always been from day one to hopefully one day be able to do this full time. Is it going to happen right now? I don't know. Is it going to happen in the future? I don't know. But one thing is for sure, you bet I'm going to give it my best shot. And I'm going to be uploading a lot more often here to the channel. So hope you guys are ready for that. Definitely check out the new videos posting here on the channel as well. Appreciate every single one of you. Best of luck to everyone winning the giveaway for the month. You guys are awesome. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.